So I think the crucial point when it came to Hindi, earlier and in the 50s and 60s when this became a very major issue, I think in places like Tamil Nadu in particular and other places, the real objection was the imposition of Hindi by force and in a sense a disadvantaging of southern states which are not that comfortable with Hindi as let's say Uttar Pradesh is or some of the other states are. But through a slow process of assimilation now, over these years, nothing is being done forcibly, but just by virtue of the influence of Hindi films and Hindi soaps and things like that, are you not starting to find a greater acceptance of Hindi even in the southern parts of the country? Maybe not Tamil Nadu so much, but if you go to Hyderabad, for example, you go to Bangalore, quite often if you meet somebody on the road, you may speak to them in Hindi as opposed to English.
No, in fact, you have to understand something differently. Opposition to imposition of Hindi has been there pre-independence. It is wrong.
1937 it started.
Yeah,
yes.
it is 1937
there
itself.
was a big movement. Yes.
It is not post-independence.
Right.
So even before independence, the large umbrella movement of Congress very correctly recognized that India is a country of different nationalities. It recognized different linguistic nationalities exist in this country and a federal polity has to be created. It was very well recognized before 47. But when the constitution was framed, this federalism was given a go-by. As far as Hindi is concerned, in Tamil Nadu, we have always opposed imposition of Hindi, but never opposed anybody learning any language of their choice. In fact, in South India, in Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra, there are no two-language official policy. There it's a three-language official policy. Only in Tamil Nadu, it is two-language official policy, which goes mother tongue first, English second, and any other language of your choice next. So this is the policy in Tamil Nadu.
But
so
I'm
we are
asking
saying,
you, I'm
and
asking
also
you,
we are also opposed to this usage of this word, calling our language a regional language. For that matter, all languages in India, including Hindi, are regional languages. Hindi belongs to one region, Marathi belongs to another region, Bangla belongs to another region. India is a country of regions. So all these have to be properly called only as national languages. That is what our constitution says. It says all the 22 languages are national languages.
Okay.
And Hindi is only an official language and English is an associate official language as long as people of non-Hindi speaking states want that to continue. Okay. That is the constitutional position.
Chitra ji,
जो कुछ बातें अभी हमारे तमिलनाडु के भाई ने कही यहाँ पर वो बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आजादी के पहले और आजादी के बाद भी ये विरोध हुआ कि हम पर हिंदी थोपी न जाए और उसके लिए 15 साल जेट्टी जी ने जैसा कहा 15 साल का वक्त दिया
அவங்க என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. இப்போ அவங்க என்ன பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கன்னு எனக்கு தெரியாம நான் எப்படி அவங்க பேசிட்டு இருக்கிறது நான் பதில் சொல்ல முடியும்? எனக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மொழியில அவங்க பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு மொழியில நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். இப்ப நான் என்னுடைய மொழியில தான் இங்க பேசுறது முடிவு பண்ணேன்னா இந்த நிகழ்ச்சியை தொடர்ந்து நான் தமிழ்ல பேசுறேன் அவங்க ஹிந்தில பேசிட்டோம் நம்ம தாராளமா நிகழ்ச்சி நடத்தலாம். Let me submit up for you in English. If she goes to speak on in a language which I don't understand, and if I can speak in a language which she can't understand, this program cannot go on.
मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं तमिलनाडु में जन्मी हूँ, मैं चेन्नई में जन्मी हूँ, वड़क्कम से लेके बहुत कुछ मैंने सीखा है, लेकिन एक देश की अखंडता और उससे
just saying vanakkam is not the issue. I can also say dhanyavad, I can also say namaskar.
I'm from UP, but
the whole thing will be a mess.
If I start, yeah, I can speak in Tamil.
No, I don't accept this.
Okay, so can I?
I need to know what is being spoken.
Can I, for the sake of this argument, this debate, I beg your pardon, maybe we can't keep it in English.
No.
You will not speak English.
Then I'll speak only in Tamil. Then I'll speak only in Tamil.
I'll speak only in Telugu.
Yeah, I'll speak only in Tamil.
I will leave. इस अपमान को कौन बर्दाश्त करेगा? आखिर मैं भी आपके देश की हूँ और अगर मैं हिंदी बोलना चाहती हूँ
Hindi and understand you.
No, I am not.
I don't even understand you.
Forcing nobody.
Now, Vikram, I want to
this is
make
only for the level of a point of order was in India.
Ma'am.
किसकी भाषा है अंग्रेजी? किसकी भाषा?
हमारी किसकी भाषा है?
संस्कृत हमारी
My language is 2000 and 3000 years old. It's one of the oldest languages in the world.
I don't know whose language.
And you do not know my oldest language.
When Ambedkar wanted to learn Sanskrit, no Brahmin Pandit was willing to teach him.
आप कितने
And he
पुरानी
wanted to
बातों में
learn
जा रहे हैं?
Sanskrit.
दुनिया आगे
They
बढ़
did not
चुकी
teach
है।
us.
Sir,
But
I-
today,
बढ़ चुकी है,
today when
दुनिया
we are
हिंदी पढ़
learning
रही
English,
है।
these people whose children go to English medium schools, those who are talking about Hindi nationalism, where are their children studying? Are their children studying in Hindi medium schools or in English medium, Saint Anne, Saint Mary, Saint Joseph? Where are they studying?
Okay, so
That's
English.
the point.
बिकॉज
Sir, there's debate can
मजबूरी
happen
है
only
इस
if it happens
देश
in
में
English.
आज
No, but-
66 वर्ष
No,
बाद
but you teach your
अपनी
children in English
राष्ट्रभाषा को
medium,
बोलने दें।
make them global.
நீங்க என்ன பேசுறீங்க?
Oh,
என்ன
you
you
occupy
feel
the
about
world.
it?
living in England.
Now you occupy the
Can I
world.
wait a minute?
We
Can the
will
three of you
not
please?
You
Can
will
I
be
declare?
comfortable.
Can I declare linguistic
You don't
peace on
understand.
this show?
Let me make one
शांत
point.
No,
रहना,
no,
मुझे
wait,
अपनी बात
Kancha ji,
कहने
one second.
आपने बात कहने दे मुझे।
चित्रा जी,
आप
चित्रा जी,
तमिलनाडु में तो अपनी बात कहते हैं, मुझे भी
चित्रा
बात
जी,
कहने
चित्रा
दें।
जी।
मुझे ही अपनी बात कहने दो।
தமிழ் வந்து ஒரு global language.
తెలుగు
தமிழ் is a
మాట్లాడండి,
global
తెలుగు
language today.
మాట్లాడండి.
Can
ఈ
I-
దేశం ఎందుకు అర్థం
can I
కాదు?
जहाँ जो
declare-
बच्चे उपस्थित हैं, मैं
Can
उनसे
I
कहना
declare
चाहती हूँ।
linguistic peace here for a moment? Just for a minute. Please, ma'am, sir. Thank you. Thank you. You know, for the sake of this particular debate, I mean, I know you know how to speak Tamil, you can speak in Telugu, and you can speak in Hindi, ma'am. This is actually right now.
अंग्रेजी की दास्तान
It's not an up,
नहीं
it's not a, it's not actually an insult, because this channel is an English language channel, and so is the show. So, if we are speaking in English, it's not an insult to Hindi that we are speaking in English right now. If you did not understand English, ma'am, I would be happy. You could speak in Hindi, and I'll translate
Yes,
it for you. And if
I
you
can
speak
say
Tamil, I'll get
I
someone to
don't
translate.
understand English, and I can leave this program immediately.
Oh, you will refuse to speak in English as a matter of policy.
I'm refusing.
To
ये
speak in
अपमान मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती।
नहीं,
ये
speak-
आप
You know,
मत
for the
बोलिए,
sake of
आप मत
convenience,
बोलिए।
we will allow it. We will allow it. We will allow it.
आपकी बात
This is
सुन-
नहीं, you
This
we will
kind
allow
of-
it.
Fine,
We
let
are-
ma'am-
we are more
I will
nationalist.
allow her to speak in Hindi. I'll translate if we
We
can
are
get
more
somebody to
nationalists.
translate.
We
This
will
is
allow
the
it. Let us
dialogue.
speak in
Otherwise,
Hindi.
we are fighting all the time.
No, we are more nationalists. Let us allow us to speak in Hindi.
You translate it
we
for
will
us.
learn
I'll
all
translate it.
languages.
You translate it
We are
for
better
us. We
nationalists
give you
than-
a concession.
Yeah, we will
Okay,
give a
fine.
concession.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you can speak in Hindi. I'll translate.
We are
I'll
more
translate.
liberal
I will-
and more
Yes,
accommodating
South Indians are very
than
liberal.
parochial
मैं
and
आपको एक
chauvinists like
बात
you.
कहती हूँ, 1650 में ब्रिटेन में फ्रेंच कानून की भाषा थी और लैटिन शिक्षा की भाषा थी। 1650 में ब्रिटेन की संसद में वहां के एक याचिका दायर की गई कि हम विदेशी भाषा की गुलामी छोड़ देंगे 1650 में।
So, Inka, sorry, why am I
So,
translating it in
now,
Hindi for you? I'm very
Angrezi-
confused now.
One issue
No, no, hang on,
can-
hang on. I think her point is,
somebody to
her
translate
point
it
is,
for
I
me.
don't
her,
want to participate if anybody is
All right.
देश की नागरिक होकर मेरा ऐसा अपमान किया जा सकता है।
Actually,
हमको
who's
आप
who's insulting you,
நான்
ma'am?
தமிழ்ல பேசிட்டே போறேன்
Ma'am, who's
மாநில
insulting you right now?
இதே மாதிரி நானும்
If you are refusing to speak in English,
அதுக்கு அர்த்தமே கிடையாது. மிக சிறப்பான தமிழை என்னால பேச முடியும். இதை விட அதிகமான வரலாற்று
Ma'am,
சான்றுகளோட பேச
we've
முடியும்.
sorted this issue out. You're speaking in Hindi. I'm translating for you. Her basic point is why speak in a
Then
foreign
you have to
language.
translate
hang
me
on.
from Tamil to English.
No, I don't speak Tamil.
Yeah,
Please
that's
translate for
my
yourself.
equal right.
Who speaks Tamil?
It's my equal right. I'll
Somebody
speak
who
in
speaks Tamil, help me.
You ask somebody to
क्या
translate
आप
it
लोग
into English.
हिंदी-
All right, one second.
I want to
I
Okay,
also
fine.
can exercise
Can
my right.
I just break away from this? Can we come to you now for a